Hey guys, it's Katie and we are finishing off week 2 of the Spring Slim Down Challenge. You have been working so hard, so today I have a special treat for you. I have my friend Allie. You guys have seen her on my Instagram. You've seen her in the videos during this challenge, and today she's going to be sharing an awesome dance fitness workout for you.
Yes, and cardio dance is a great way to get your sweat on and get that endorphin boost going and just have fun with your cardio workout.
Totally. So this is one of my favorite songs. I just feel like it makes you feel good about yourself as a woman, and you all should. So do you want to show us what moves we're going to be doing?
Yeah, we're going to break down the moves based on the parts of the song. So do your best to follow along and just keep moving and have fun. So let's go. Okay, girls, so we're going to start by breaking down the parts of the dance to the song. So I'm going to be cueing my ladies behind me and follow along as best you can. We're going to start with 3 hops. 1, 2, you're going to freeze and really isolate, squeeze your core. Heading back in the opposite direction, boom. From there, you're going to pop your toe. Your hip is going to come up and down, hey. If you want an advancement, throw an arm into it. Really get saucy with it. Yeah. Okay, so that's the first part. We're going to be moving right and left, right and left. Second part, you're going to take your right foot, you're going to come forward, box step, cross it, back and out. Add arms, boom, boom, boom. We're going to throw a little slide into it at a certain point. I'll cue it up, don't worry. Slide it back. Opposite leg comes forward, do, what? And we'll slide it back. So that's part number 2. Third part, you're going to do a lateral side lunge. Going to bring it down twice, 1 and 2. Then you're going to add a little saucy hip roll into it.
I like that it's saucy.
Come back the other way, 2. Really squeeze, get low, work it out. Okay, so for the hook, we're going to be doing a single where you're just putting your weight, transferring your weight to one side, transferring your weight to the other side. Then you're going to go double. Just hang out for a second. So single and double, single and double. And I'll pause it when it says I'm looking amazing, because you guys are all looking amazing. You're going to pause. Just work it out. Work it out.
Feel on yourself.
Feeling myself. And then the last part of the song, we're really going to finish it, drive it home. We're going to be doing some power squats. And if you'd like to do a modification, you could just step to the side and squat in between. Boom, boom. So do what feels right, and we're ready to go. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Here we go. Hop it out. Hold. And hip.
Like I'm so perfect, like I know when
Opposite way. Hey.
Like I deserve the shit that
Back here. Hit. Work it out, girls.
I don't really do anything bad. You're just looking for a reason, get mad.
Get ready to box it out.
Out here tweaking like that. Why do you go looking for something no I can't even say? Why do I get caught up in all of your selfish games? All you do is hate on me like every single day. All I know is
get ready, slide. Side lunge. Hip roll. Woohoo!
Don't keep you waiting.
Booty shake time. Shake, shake. Love ballers. Hey, work it out right here. Single, single, double. Hold it. And double. Get sexy. Get saucy. Hold it.
I'm looking amazing. Yeah. Oh,
Side lunge, here we go. Hip roll. Booty shake, my favorite move. Really squeeze. Check it out. Hey, single, single, double. Get ready, we're coming back to the beginning. Jump in, here we go. Hip, hip.
Like I'm so perfect, like I know.
Other way.
Don't know. True. All right, I might deserve the shit that you put me
and work.
through. But I don't really do many
How we doing?
You're just looking for a reason, get mad.
Side lunge, here we go. Hip roll. Get that booty going.
Don't keep you waiting, no.
Shake it out.
Don't make you crazy.
Come on. Check it out.
I'm looking amazing.
Single, single, double. Woo!
I'm looking amazing.
How are you doing, girls? Bring it home with the power squats. Here we go. Jump it out.
And you know.
Woo! Hold it. Jump it out. Really bring it home. Give it all you got, girls.
I'm looking amazing.
Awesome, you guys.
Oh my gosh, Allie. That was crazy. What was that, like 3 minutes?
Yeah, I
I
know.
know, we
heart
did
rate.
one round and we're like dripping sweat already.
Yeah, drenched.
So much
telling
fun,
you,
though.
telling you guys.
I know, it was seriously so much fun. I hope you guys had fun with it too. I think the best thing is like you can get like one round in, you get your heart rate up, you start to get comfortable with the moves, and then you can repeat it a couple of times so that you like nail this.
Yes.
And if you guys do, I want to see it on Instagram. Make sure you tag at LSF Fitness so you can check out your looking amazing videos. And this is such a good one to throw in, like when you just want to mix up your workout routine, or if you need that little confidence boost, like the lyrics are incredible, the dance moves are incredible. Allie has so many fun dance cardio fitness videos on her channel, so I'll put the link below. Make sure you go check it out. And if you guys love this song as much as I do, and you just like felt empowered after it, it's from
Amazing.
One of my, amazing.
Looking amazing.
It's from my friend Cap Slap, so I'll put his link below too. He has such good music. If you girls love this as much as we did, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and if you haven't signed up for the Spring Slim Down Challenge, the link is below. 4 weeks of super fun workouts every single day, just like these. And
don't forget, good things come to those who sweat.
bye, you guys.
I'm looking amazing.